YouTube, what's going on? Saarland to China, 6 o'clock in Germany. Welcome to day 2 of my Germany vlog. And today what I want to show you is that I just left my house. This is a 5 minutes walk away from my house, and I'm in beautiful nature, surrounded by nothing else than clean, fresh air and the sound of silence and a beautiful red sun coming up behind of me. And look how fast the sun rises. It goes so fast. You can literally see the sun rising. Beautiful. And then there is another thing that is really beautiful. Besides the fresh air you can breathe here, it's just this plenty full nature giving you all it can. The fresh berries, the fresh plums, everywhere. And you see that? You eat that, you eat that right away. Look how full that tree is. Full of beautiful yellow plums. It's just unbelievable. Let me show you that. This is the best breakfast you can have in the morning. Like a beautiful walk and having some fresh and clean yellow plums. Very sweet and juicy. Absolutely amazing. This is the nature in front of your door. So what you can do in the morning is just enjoy this very beautiful scenery. And this is why I wanted to take you with me today, because I think you should see that. This is something so special, maybe you won't be able to see in your country, in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the nature, enjoying a morning like this, having a walk like this, having a run like this in the morning, enjoying the fresh cold air in the middle of the nature. There you can see all the beautiful berries and no one picking them up. Everyone buying them in the supermarket. What a pity. And what you want to do here is just have a nice walk in the morning. This is how they make fresh honey in the middle of nowhere. Here you can see some hazelnuts. And you can collect them very soon in autumn. Zero chemicals, no chemicals, fresh and healthy apples. And then you can see the corn growing, non-GMO corn, no chemicals corn, very good corn. So I would like to know how one of those corns actually tastes like, what it actually tastes like. So let me just get rid of this hair. This is fresh from the nature. It tastes really good, and I think it is still very soft because it's still very young. Very young. Very good. And very milky. And so I just finished my first snack, and there we have the next one. Blueberries. Blueberries. Not real blueberries. In Germany those are called Schlehen. And what this does to your mouth is very, very special. Once you put them in your mouth, everything will feel really weird. And they are kind of sour, and they put a weird layer on your tongue. Ugh. Very weird, but I like them. This is a plant I used to play with when I was a kid. Let me show you what you can do with that. This is one piece of this plant, and it has those little hooks here, and wherever you put it, it sticks because it has little hooks and it's very hard to remove, and sometimes it even sticks on your skin. And what you wanted to do with that, you were just chasing your friends and tug it on them so they can't remove it anymore. And that was very, very funny back in the days. And you know, look, it's sticking to your skin because it has those little hooks, and you were just throwing this at the people, and then they couldn't look at it. Just listen to the birds for a while. Mmm. Mmm. And be careful with those, please. Those you cannot eat. They are very, very poisonous, and they are for birds only. Okay guys, I hope you like this short trip into the beautiful nature of Germany. I think there will be more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like. This time a like for Germany, please, and not for China. And yeah, write your thoughts in the comments below and tell me what you would like to see. Look, this is a beautiful garden. See you next time. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing